Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Akshay Sapkali. You're watching me on channel Believer, and this video is specifically for the students who are planning to come to the Germany in the near future. So in today's video, I'm gonna cover my entire journey as a student, about the job perspective which are available here in Germany and the opportunities specifically for the students. So about myself, I came here in 2021 March, and I had a question mark, what am I going to do when I land in Germany. So from the first month itself, like everybody, I started applying for an internship. But as you all understand, maybe you guys might have tried this yet, that if you apply for 100 companies, hardly you get the interview call for one or two, and in which also you do not get selected. It was the same case for me. Then I tried for a month and still there was no luck, and my block account amount was getting deducted every month. So I had to find something for myself to survive in Germany. Therefore I did decide to go for a hot jobs here in Germany. So as a student, this is one of the best option for you if you would like to continue your study simultaneously, you would like to work somewhere. So as a student, you can do the hot job for 20 hours per week, or maybe the part-time job, or maybe some day-to-day the normal jobs. But I was not again lucky enough to find the part-time job as well, so I had to land or maybe go for the hard job. So in Hof we had this one consultancy where I reached out for the help, if in case they have some job opportunities available for students like us. So yeah, and bingo, I was able to get one. So what happened, this consultancy, the day I visited there, they asked me for the documentation from my end, took one photo or maybe the two photos, I don't remember it, and they gave me a contract of 2 pager. So and then I went through the contract, I did do the signature and everything. And once I submitted the contract, they asked me to visit one company over the weekend. And once I go there, the company or the person who's gonna attend me at the company are going to explain the job profile to me. I was literally hoping it was like a normal job, or maybe I was hoping the job should be good and not really stressful. But somehow all the hopes and everything got crushed. So the day I remember I reached to the company, there was this guy, he was pretty old but he attended me. Then he get me or issued me the ID card to get inside the company. So when I entered, he handed over the safety shoes for me and one jacket. I was wondering, I mean, what am I going to do with those stuff? Then he took me to the warehouse of that company. It was really amazing and really big one. And then then he started explaining to me what I really have to do there. So my first job was, I he worked in the warehouse wherein the truck will come for the company with the material. So in the truck they will have some boxes which I have to unload from the truck, carry those boxes and put it on the conveyor belt. I assume you guys must be thinking this job is really the easy one, you just have to collect the boxes and put it on the conveyor. No, but the boxes may vary in the weight from 5 to 25 kg. So you guys can assume that for 8 hour shift, in which you get 1 hour break, continuously you have to carry the box and put it on the conveyor. And my block account, it was started to get empty. That's when I decided to continue this job at least for 3 months. So this job used to pay me more or less 12 euros for 1 hour, and if even if it is a break time, they used to pay me for that. So you guys can simply do the math here. So it is somewhere close to 100 euro, and I did this job for a longer period of time till the time I get my semester break. So here in Germany there is one benefit for the student. So if you're a student and if it is your semester break, you are allowed to work for a 40 hours per week. And I was literally fed up with that job, so I did decide to switch the job. So in the month of June I quit that job because I had my exams, and luckily there was this one opportunity arises for me during that span. So it was again through one of the consultancy, and the job was in the Legoland, which is an amusement park in the south of near close to the south of Germany. So in that job, the benefit was they did provide me an accommodation and flexibility to work. So during my semester break, I did work there for 2 months, and in that job I used to get close to the 13 euros for an hour, and I was even allowed to do the overtime. So you guys are pretty smart. Then being an Indian, I will for sure will not leave that opportunity. So I did do the overtimes there and the regular working hours as well, and simultaneously I was applying for an internship. So my schedule was, I used to get up around 6 o'clock, then get ready for my job. So everything starts at 8 p.m. Then close to 6 p.m. I used to again come back to home with doing overtime and every other stuff, and after that an hour or two to get fresh, and post that just start applying for the internship. And in the month of, I think, October, I had an interview with one of the good company in Munich. Where did I do my internship? So I had an interview. Within a week, I got my confirmation for the job, and they did ask me to relocate to the Munich. So that's when I decided to quit the hot job which I was doing over there. But during that job, I did earn close to 6,500 euros as a student. I think it is a huge amount. And when I got this internship was really good one for me, because they used to pay me close to the 1,800, and being a student, I was not able, I mean, I did not have to pay the huge amount of the tax in that part. So that was a plus point for me. I did that internship for close to 6 months or maybe the 7 month, and later on company has asked me to, I mean, offered me the full-time job, and still I'm working for that company. I'm really grateful to my organization. But that was all my journey throughout this peak peak span of the day I landed in Germany until today. So um more or less, I have a message for all the students. So if you guys are planning to come to the Germany and wondering how you guys are going to survive, so please do not worry about that. You have a lot of opportunities available here. You can go for the part-time, you can visit the consultancy and do the hot jobs like which I did, and simultaneously apply for an internship. So if you guys have any more questions how you're gonna do that, please let me know in the comment section or reach out to me. I am more than happy to help you all in this case. And if you find this video helpful, please do let me know in the comment section, and please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, see ya.